morning. Ito na yung progress ng house. So, this is our fifth week doing the house. So, I'm here in second floor. There's already a huge progress since the last time I sent you a video. So, this is the fourth video already that I'm going to send to you. So, right now, they already made the division between the two rooms sa front ng house. Plus, they've made some changes as well in the room of Tita Lolit. Plus, the pouring of the cement in the first floor, which is the side of the kitchen. And tomorrow, they will continue doing that on the living room side. Okay? So, I'll show you the progress already so that you know. Okay, so this is my room. Okay, so the last time I sent you a video, I told you na that bar is the division, but now this is the division already with the hollow blocks. So they decided na maging hollow blocks na lang yung maging division para daw avoid anay, sabi ni Mang Gidu sa akin. So which is he has a point. So I agreed to that as well. So ito yung division ng ng room kasi sa gitna niyan there's a hallway that will lead to the terrace. Okay? All right. So approaching, as you can see, it's really small. I've talked to Alex, which is the carpenter, the second carpenter who's doing this one. Okay? Sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan magkasya yung kama, and at the same time, I'd like to have a cabinet. So, I've decided to put the bed here, plus the cabinet's gonna be in here. Okay? It's really, really small. Talagang bulilit ka nga. Sobrang kitid ng space. There's not enough space for you to move around. So, we're just going to maximize the space here. Tapos, ito, this solid wall, it will be removed this week as well because this will be the wall for the house. Ito na yung pinaka dingding. Okay? As you can see, I have a big window here, which is good. Ayoko kasi ng maliit na window for the air to come inside the room. And then they already poured the cement outside for the terrace. So we've already decided what design, and Tite told me that you'd like that too. So you're the one who proposed the terrace to us. So that terrace will come out here, okay? So magiging maganda tong terrace na dyan. Okay? And then, approaching tayo sa second room, which is the room of Noel. I'll show you that. Okay. So, this is the room of Noel. It's really small. Okay? So, ito yung, I don't know about their plan, kung ano magiging plano nila sa kwarto nila. But, they said that they're going to maximize the space as well, like me. And this will be the hallway for the terrace. Magkakaroon ng dyan, there will be a door there that will be the common access door for the terrace. So, kung gusto nyo magpahinga, since it's very airy here in this place, you're just going to sit there or just drink soft drinks or have snacks there whenever you want to be relaxed. Kasi talagang mahangin dyan sobrang hangin. Okay? So, we're going to approach the room of Tita Lolit. Okay? So, this is the room of Tita Lolit. It's really small. The last time I've shown the video to you, there's a corner here like this. I don't know if you can see my hand, my forearm. So, this elbow up to this one. So, merong ganong kalapad na space. Pero, hindi siya ganong kalapad actually. That will be the cabinet. But, since kasi nakalabas siya, na-decide ni Tite na wag na lang ilabas kasi nga ang pangit. So, may kanto kasi. So, we've decided na diretsuhin na lang din. Okay? Para maging okay naman yung kwarto ni Tita Lolit. And then at the same time, I'm not sure kung how they will fit the beds of Tita Lolit here plus having a cabinet. Kasi since this room is really small, I'm not sure if there will be having a cabinet here still like us. Okay? Okay, now approaching to the room of Tite. There's no changes yet with the room of Tite, but they added the hollow blocks there. So they put 5 hollow blocks yesterday. So 5 hollow blocks up. So para magpantay sa kisame. Okay? So about the bathroom, since we will be having the door here for the bathroom, we've already told Manggido that we might be having a cabinet here for the pillowcases, for the bed sheets, para hindi na lang kuha ng kuha sa kanya-kanyang kwarto. At least if we do have a common cabinet here for those beddings, at least hindi na papasok sa loob ng kwarto, diba? So I'm not sure if you're gonna be okay with that, but it's only a proposal. So, kung gusto nyo nang baguhin yon, just tell us. But for now, we've already told Manggido that we would like to have a cabinet there. Okay? Regarding sa handrails ng hagdanan for the stairs, I talked to Manggido, I would like to lessen this one kasi it's solid na hollow blocks. So, I'd like to remove this, mga 3 hollow blocks. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Kasi masyadong mataas. Gusto ko sana na lang it's bar para at least maging airy sa loob. Kasi, pag ganyan parang yung ano ng air, instead of having an airy space, nabablocken ng solid na cement na to. So, I asked Manggido to remove this one. Okay? Papalitan na lang siguro ng grills yan. Tapos, the toilet and the bathroom is so yucky, okay? I don't want you to see that one. It's gross. Okay, bababa tayo ngayon sa baba. So, para makita nyo rin yung development doon, okay? Okay, so this is the baba already. So, the ground. So, we will be having a window here and window there as you wished. Nagkakaroon tayo ng window dyan. Yun ang sinabi nyo kanina sa amin. So, we'll already dig the walls para magkaroon ng windows. Okay? And then, magkakaroon tayo ng doors doon. I'm not sure which side, but definitely we'll be having a doors there for the living room. And as you can see, we'll already pour the cement here for the flooring para magpantay. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if they're going to continue doing this on the other side. Okay? Yan muna for now. And you will see the development further kung magkakaroon pa ng changes. Okay? Yan na muna. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi! Good morning! Hola! Hello, Mami! Hello, kamusta?
Love you.
Nakita mo na yung development. Bye-bye! Love you! Mwah, 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 mwah! Uy, mga